No matter what people tell you, words and ideas can change the world. Quote by Robin Williams. Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to CPW World. And I'm Nilima. And today, to whom we are meeting? We are meeting a woman entrepreneur, and she is running her own studio. You can see behind me Tux Interior Design. What they provide as a service and product, they provide kitchen appliances, kitchen solutions and modular kitchen, interior designing, and even they give a solution to commercial and resident project in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Thane. I want to talk about Karandeep Kaur. She is a very hard working person. She is she believes in integrity, and she is very passionate what she is doing today. Let's know more about her and her journey, personal and professional, and learn more about her and take a mantra from her today of her success. Let's go and meet her. Hi Kirandeep, welcome to CPW World, talk show on entrepreneur.
Hi Nilima, thank you so much to CPW World for giving this platform to the women entrepreneur, and welcome to my office.
So what do you think I am going to ask you as a first question, like in this talk show?
Yeah, just don't ask me what is cooked for dinner in my house. Apart from that, you can ask me anything.
No, I'm not going to ask you that. But let's start with your business journey.
Okay.
Like we'll start, which year you started this?
The business I started in 2014, which is more than 7 years from now.
So what was that reason you thought I want to start my own business?
Nilima, I have a diverse experience of working in different industrial sectors. I started my career with Vodafone, which is a telecom industry. Okay. That time it was known as Orange. Then I moved to ICICI Prudential, which is an insurance industry. And then I took up a mid-management position in ICICI Bank. So having worked with the leading brands in different industries, I was having a good time. I was doing well professionally and personally too. In 2012, I was blessed with motherhood.
Okay.
But then along with it came the challenges, managing the job responsibilities of a corporate, along with it managing the responsibilities as a mother. So I had to take a decision of quitting my prestigious job to look after my small child. Though I don't regret that decision at all.
Okay.
So after that.
Okay, yes. After that. And then you started in 2014. 14.
Yes.
Okay. So how you manage as a motherhood and as a businesswoman?
Initially, yes, when I was setting up the business, yes, there is another story attached to this.
We are very much interested to listen that.
Yes, I must tell you that. When I decided to start a business, as an entrepreneur, it was in 2014. My elder child was 2-year-old that time.
Okay.
And I conceived. I was pregnant for the second time.
Okay.
Same time when I started, I was about to start my business.
Okay.
So there was a big challenge at that time. I was not sure, whether I'll be able to handle both the things together,
like business and baby.
Yeah.
My first one and second one, how I'm going to manage, that was a question.
Yes, because, nurturing a child in your womb and starting a new business, having no experience of managing a business, I was very scared. But yes, I started from there with the support of my family, and somehow it fell in place.
That's why people say, women are very strong. Like, I feel that, compared to men's, and I'm not comparing, but like mother, businesswoman, and starting your like success story. So, like, next question I want to ask you, like your childhood, this was your dream?
No, not really, Nilima. It wasn't really my childhood dream to be an entrepreneur. In fact, as a child, I always thought that doctor and engineer were the most sought after career options. But yes, during my teenage, I was more inclined toward taking commerce as a subject, mainstream. And yes, maybe that took me towards doing MBA and having then ventured into the corporate field.
Okay. So, like, 3 strong point about as a character you feel you are very strong.
Dedication, passion, and integrity. These are the 3 cornerstones of my personality.
Okay.
And my personality is a reflection of my parents' genes and their upbringing. What I am today is because of the strong values inculcated by my parents. My father taught me how important it is to be disciplined in life, to work with total integrity. He taught me that you should never shy away from your responsibilities, and you should never get scared of facing new challenges in life. We are 3 siblings, and we had a privilege of studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya, being children of Indian Navy officer, and we had a very secure childhood. And I take pride in the fact that my elder sister was amongst the first batch of women pilots inducted by Indian Air Force. So, and she inspired me, and somehow I also cleared the service selection board for the Indian Army. So I was selected by Indian Army.
That was amazing.
Yes, but destiny had other plans for me.
But still, you are doing so great in your life as a woman entrepreneur. You are inspiring so many women right now. So, tell me more about it. Like, this is very interesting.
See, I have after my schooling, I studied from one of the prestigious colleges of South Mumbai, which is the HR College of Commerce and Economics. So all our childhood we stayed in Kolaba, South Mumbai, and that's where my early memories are from.
Okay, so now comes your marriage. So who is your support system, like in a business, personal life, whatever challenges you face?
My support system is my husband and my family, and of course my full-time maid.
Okay.
If she was not there, I would not have been sitting here.
And this is what you are telling. I can, I understand, maids are how much important.
Yes.
So, yeah, I take that.
Yes.
And tell me how you manage your staff, how you motivate them, like for any work, or when you feel they are not going exactly what they should go.
Okay. See, sometimes you have to how you teach your children. It's like dealing with them also in similar way. Sometimes you have to give them carrots, and sometimes you have to show them sticks as well. So getting work done, a person has to be self-motivated, no doubt about that. But apart from that, sometimes you do require motivation in work. So that's at times, I have to explain them the importance of taking the job responsibility seriously. Like, we are answerable to our clients when we are dealing with projects. So we have to be on our toes. We have to be updated every day, every minute. We cannot, go wrong in our approach or in handling a project. So I keep telling them how important it is. Every project, whether it is a small project or a big project, it is important, because that is what the end client is, looking forward to. Maybe he's only getting 1 room done from us, or maybe he's getting the entire 3 BHK done from us. But for him, that is the most important thing. He's, looking forward. He has a dream, and we have to deliver that dream to the client. So for that, every person working in this organization has to take it seriously and deliver to the client's expectation.
And Kiran, I want to know more about your products and services which your brand is offering to Navi Mumbai, Kharghar, and Mumbai and Thane. Can you tell me more about your products and services?
Sure, Nilima. We have a few segments which are though separate but they are all integrated. Under Taksh Design Studio, we are placed in Kharghar. Firstly, this showroom is in Kharghar. We have different line of work. Like to begin with, we are into the home interior solutions, whereby we give you completely all solutions under one roof. When you buy a new flat and you want to do up the place, whether it is 1 BHK, 2 or 3 BHK or even bungalows, you can get all the solutions, everything from Taksh Design Studio, starting from your civil work, whereby we can give you the services of flooring, tiling, plumbing, electrical servicing, false ceiling. So all of this we give under the civil work category, and we have all in-house team in Taksh Design Studio. So all my workers, we work under one roof. There's a dedicated team, dedicated people who are responsible to deliver the right thing. As an end result, it has to be all integrated. So civil से बाद में हम आते हैं wood work पे, जिसमें we give you all the solutions for your like wardrobes, doors, panelings, beautification of the house. Woodwork is what enhances the look of your house.
Right.
And then of course comes other small bit like having the right kind of drapes and sofas and sitting arrangements, decoration of the house, modular kitchen. And from modular kitchen, we have the solution of giving you the kitchen appliances, because that is the second segment of my business, where we are the distributors of CAF kitchen appliances. Now, CAF is a European brand, and we are the only distributor in Navi Mumbai, Thane, and Vasai.
Okay.
We cover from Panvel up to Airoli, and then up to Thane, and up to Vasai we have the coverage. So we distribute. Since we are the distributors, all the dealers in all these regions and also the end clients buy from us. Under CAF kitchen appliances, you can buy a wide variety range of chimney, hob, microwave, OTG, dishwashers, wine coolers. So all these appliances, which typically in every household nowadays are being used, and we can give you the best variety at the right price.
Your Taksh Design Studio, the brand name is amazing and we liked it, So can you tell me more about modular kitchen, what you were mentioning right now? Like which kind of a services and product your brand is providing now?
Sure, Nilima. See, modular kitchen is a very important part of my company, Taksh Design Studio, firstly. In modular kitchen, there are a lot of variety that can be offered to the clients. End clients may not even know, what all goes into it to build a kitchen for them. To give the right product, the right variety at the right price is the motto of Taksh Design Studio.
Okay.
So we will give you all the options available. Firstly, explaining the pros and cons of going with a certain product, a certain look, a certain fitting, why a client should take it, at what price it comes, and if in case they should not opt for it as per their usage in their house, then that is also what we tell our clients. So we are not here just to sell some product to our clients. We give them the right solution. For that, we first understand the space of the client. Every client has a
space.
Yes, every client has a different space.
Right.
Along with it, mainly every client has a different requirement.
Okay.
So I customize the kitchen for each of my client.
Okay.
In your house, kitchen may be used in a certain fashion.
Okay.
It may be used by X number of people. It may be used N number of times in a day.
Okay.
So every household functions in a different way.
Okay.
And that's where we come in and we understand the client's requirement. We understand their budget. We understand their taste. And then we design the kitchen for them, keeping all of this in mind.
Okay, can you tell me some example, so that our audience also understand how that comes up,
Okay, now I'll give you, I'll quote a recent example. In Kharghar itself, there is a particular building where I got 2 modular kitchen projects together.
Okay.
But when you see the final output of both the kitchens, it's totally apart from each other.
Okay.
Firstly, of course, one client wanted a little more, shiny stuff, reflective stuff in their kitchen. So I gave them acrylic. acrylic
Okay.
finish modular kitchen.
Okay.
The other client wanted a little subtle appearance to the kitchen. So what
Okay.
I recommended to them was high gloss laminate.
Okay.
Both are glossy surfaces, but then acrylic has a different kind of shine
Okay.
compared to a laminate. And then of course the budget is also different. Like an acrylic kitchen will cost you a little more than what a laminate kitchen will cost you.
Okay. Okay.
Though both the kitchens are done in marine ply, and we only work in marine ply when
Marine
it comes to
ply,
modular
okay.
kitchens. We do not use anything else.
Okay.
Yes, and that brings me to the subject that I maintain the quality across all my projects. I am very, very transparent in my business. I explain to the client why I am charging this and for what I am going to deliver to them.
Okay.
So what I show you here in my showroom for your selections, exactly the same thing is delivered to you in your house.
Even I saw like kitchen furniture and appliances also you're providing.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I'll come to the appliances also. Before
Okay.
that, like in kitchen also, I just spoke about the outer appearance right now.
Okay.
In that there are many other factors like what goes inside your kitchen, what kind of fittings go inside your kitchen, because
Okay.
those fittings are the lifeline of your kitchen.
Right.
If you want to use your kitchen for say 10 years, 15 years, you need to have the right mechanisms which should be fitted so that they last with you for that long. So I give you all the proper brands as per your budget. Like we work with Hafele, Hetic, CAF. These are all European brands that we use in our kitchen, modular kitchens.
Okay.
Then we have other brands like Godrej, etc. Indian brands which we sometimes give to our clients if they want to go with a little lesser budget in their kitchen. And we also give you the right space management. Like if you have a corner in your kitchen, a L corner, so we give you the corner solutions.
Okay.
I also have pantry and ladder systems which I give to my clients where all the items are properly kept so that it's easy to use, easy to access.
Okay.
Then there are a lot of other fittings which I can show you later. Then
Okay.
how it helps a client to organize the kitchen in a proper manner.
Okay. Okay. So it depends on the age also, like.
Yes. There are clients who cannot bend down too much, so we give them all the stuff that they have to use on a daily basis at their eye level and first reach level.
Okay.
So that is how we plan every corner, every inch for that matter for the kitchen.
So you're doing entire, like you can say, kitchen designing also.
Yes, kitchen designing and execution.
Execution. So
Yes.
you are taking like commercial and residence projects also
Yes,
on the interior designing part also.
completely.
Completely you are
Yes.
taking. So that's like helpful for everyone. Just buy a house and just give to
And
you.
come to us. Yes, that's the USP. We give you all the solutions under one roof.
Okay.
Starting from your space management, not just the kitchen but the entire flat, complete interior solutions as well as the kitchen appliances. There is no one in the market who can give you all of this together under one roof.
Oh.
At least not in Navi Mumbai.
I'm sure about that. And like more about home decor, if you can explain, like you are providing that also.
Yes, so like I mentioned to you earlier as well that we are giving you complete interior works under one roof.
Okay.
Starting from your civil work to your carpentry work, woodwork, then painting, electrical works, plumbers and modular arrangements, as well as the appliances.
Appliances.
We are also the distributors, I forgot to mention, I think we are also the distributors of glass fittings.
Glass fitting. Yeah,
Yes.
you mentioned me that
Right.
when we met last time.
Yes.
And even in lighting part you must be handling.
Yes, lighting
Okay.
as well, glass fittings, lightings, everything we provide you under one roof.
Okay. Kiran, what made you start this business and what challenges you saw and how you're managing your personal and professional life?